It's Troy, and today I'm going to show you basic translations of word problems. Now, I know what you're thinking. First thing you hear about word problems is, I don't know how to do them. Just give me the equation and I'll be able to solve it. There's a problem to that, and that is not all the problems you run into are just going to be equations. In real life, you're going to be facing with words, and you have to translate each word to make the equation in order to solve. So let's look at the problem to begin with. What is 15% of 30? I know what you're saying. Panic! Let's panic! Well, let's translate each word and let's solve the equation with our translation. The first word is what? Now, that is what we're solving for. In this case, do we know what is? And we don't. So we're going to let what represent the unknown, and that is x. It doesn't have to be an x. It could be a y or any other letter. As long as it doesn't confuse you, you should be okay. The second word is. All right? Is represents the equal sign. It could also be the past word was or were or will be too. As long as it's a helping verb, you will use the equal sign. The second word is, you see 15 and then percent. Percent simply means per hundred. Set as in century and cents. There's 100 cents in a dollar. There's 100 years in a century. So cent is, percent means over 100. And then finally, the word of. Of is, of is simply multiplication, or the time sign. When you say less than, less, you say it's subtraction, more, addition. But when it comes to of, most of the times it's going to be multiplication. So let's translate this into an equation that you could solve. What x is equal to 15% or 15 over 100 of times, well, what I'm going to do is put it in parentheses. When you put the numbers beside each other, it's implied multiplying, and 30. What I'm going to do is put it over 1 so we solve the problem. What is 15% of 30? So when I multiply this, I'm going to simplify it. 30 and 100. If you simplify that, there's the basic factor of 10 as well. Well, we'll just say 10 for now. 100 divided by 10 is 10, and 30 divided by 10 is 3. X is 15 times 3 is 45. 10 times 1 is 10. And then when you divide the two, 45 divided by 10 is either 4 and 5/10 or 4.5. What is 15% of 30? The solution is 4.5. So remember, next time when you see the equation, break it into little pieces and the rest will be easy for you to solve. This is Troy. You have a good day.